Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Toyota Corolla rear brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Safely lift your vehicle and secure it on jack stands. Then, remove the rear wheel to access the brake assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, carefully unbolt the two caliper guide pins. Once loosened, gently remove the caliper from the rotor. It's crucial to support the caliper so it doesn't hang by the brake line, which could cause damage. Take a moment to inspect your old brake pads for wear and check the rotor's surface for any grooves or damage. Now, use a C-clamp to slowly compress the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for your new, thicker brake pads. Install the new pads along with any anti-rattle clips or hardware provided. Carefully slide the caliper back over the rotor and reattach the guide pins, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. After reassembling everything, pump your brake pedal several times before starting the engine. This resets the caliper piston, ensuring proper brake function. Then, take your vehicle for a cautious test drive, gradually applying the brakes to properly bed in the new pads. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.